Saki G, Mumwe is ready.
Yebo, asingeneni go hot topic yetu ya namhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi Vedari. I am a lady aged 40 with 2 kids. I got married to my husband in 2007. We started from nothing till tazoita tunu twedu. We built a house together and bought 2 cars. Hubby works out of Harare and I work in Harare and also have my business in Harare, so hubby ayuyaku off after every 3 weeks over aita 1 week at home. So he had a girlfriend kwa anoshanda and they had a son together, asingazive. But the girlfriend is a single mom of 2 kids with 2 different fathers and my hubby is the 3rd. So 2 years back, I saw some messages in hubby's phone, vayenda na tete, akanorora, this girlfriend, behind my back. I confronted him, tikatonetsana, but then we came to a common ground, we talked about it, ikapera nyaya iyoyo, and we moved on. He then started to suspect that I was dating his friend. We have known the family for 13 years and we have been close with the family zvokutodaru. He would send the guy kumba kana pane zviri kuda kuitwa kumba or kana mota ita break down. Iye aiti akauya ku-off, aitodaidza the guy kumba and would have drinks and beers together. So end of January this year, he just said, someone told me you are dating my friend, meaning that guy. But they had no evidence or anything tangible to support zvavaitaura. No message or anything. Vakangoti urikufungidzirwa. I told him to come so that we would talk about it, but he said he wasn't ready to face me. I called him. He would not pick up my phone. If I texted, he would not reply till azongoti sha chimboita zve-life yako. Ndakaudza tete vangu, vakamufonera kuti auye kumatare. Akangoti achauya. Nanhasi it's been 9 months now, hapana dare ratiraitwa. Vana tete vake pavakaudzwa kuti tiite matare, vakandiramwira vakati gara kuHarare kwako tichakudaidza. I then discovered that the girlfriend akutoenda naye kuma-family gatherings, even kumba kwavamweni. Mind you, we stay in the same neighborhood with the in-laws kumusha. So akuti akaenda kumusha hubby anohwandiswa kuti my parents vasazive kuti ariko. So he pays fees for the kids, but food and upkeep yevana haasi kutumira. Recently he asked me to send my ID copy achiti he wants to file for divorce kucourt. Ndakamuti hatitange nekucourt usati wandipa gupuro. Akati kwese ikoko chasvika. I insisted gupuro first. Am I wrong, Vedari? Please share your thoughts. Yo hot topic yetu namhlanje.
0772162651. Feel free to connect with us. Vena ngati fambirinye. So arunz asaine atumire copy yekuti paite divorce but asata piwa gupuro.
Yeah.
Okay. Story family.
Hi, KVG.
I'm great, thanks, dear.
You know what? I think this lady just needs to move on with her life. This guy closed a chapter about her for whatever reason, and this is just an excuse. However, I would advise her kuti I want a legal representation. Especially pakunzi nditumire ID. My divorce paper. I'm thinking that this guy is planning something regarding her, Demba and all that. So she needs to be very careful about how she's going to handle this from now on. So go to gupuro and what, you know what, so just trying to lengthen a process and victimizing yourself in a way, for the lack of a better way. These guys can plan more things about Shunzamagawaka. So don't let another person benefit from the things that you've worked for. Accept within those arepo. You want a divorce. It's hard, but just do it and just find someone to represent you through the whole process, because the Ahachada, so you can't force him. Mukuru, he makes these decisions anyway, so you can't hold on to him simply because of gupuro or anything.
Thank you so much for that. And sometimes it's a hard pill to swallow. if you still love someone, because remember, even when she discovered that there was another woman in the picture, they managed to resolve their differences. But now I think the hubby is really acting out. You can tell just by his actions and apasisina rudo 9 months after they, spoke about this, and he never made an effort yekuya kwa Harare kuti vataurirane nemudzimai kuti status yedu yakamira sei as far as our marriage is concerned.
It's a sad situation where he can't just confront the lady and tell her, you know what, this is the situation. To amai musatumire any documents kumurume, we find legal advice moita chaizvo zvekurambana kwaakuda kwa anonyepera kubvunza ndimai kupa in a town. And then Anzi, hi KVG and Saki, truly this is a heavy topic, but first things first, definitely this husband no longer wants her, and she shouldn't put herself where she isn't wanted. She should just sign the divorce papers and move on. Of course she should consult a lawyer in all of this to protect herself and the children. Best wishes, my sister. That's Kudzai in Eastleigh. And another message on our WhatsApp platform here says, Anzi, divorce bore, what's the point of gupuro? And then another message from 276 says, ID copy haina basa for divorce process. Guys, I don't know the word, but yeah, let's move on. 199 says, chokwadi chiripo mudzimai uyo hachadiwe zvese nehama. That's Amapranga Homwe, the radio ambassador.
Hello, Star FM. All right, you'll forgive me there to drop that line. Kindly reduce the volume of your radio when you call in, so that you can be the star of the show. Mimi, not the background noise. Yatinozo Pika, our voices. Ipapo. Hello, Star FM. A bad connection again. 0713 0714 313413. You can get in touch with us. So 0772 162 651. A message also coming in says, Nai KVG, if a person knows that her hubby married another woman, what do they mean by takataurira nazvikapera? I think she means kuti vakaita hurukuro about it. Zvikapera, and they moved on. Maybe agamchira.
Did not clear it up. Kuti, what were the terms of them moving on?
Yes. Yeah.
Could have been kuti. Maybe the husband said, "I'll not see this woman ever again. I promise you that."
Yeah.
That could have been a possibility. Or yeah, that part it wasn't clear.
It wasn't clear, yeah. Because he goes on to say that the guy has got another woman, and like the lady who called stated, it's done, gupuro. What is it going to change? She is a bit delusional too. I don't think so, but I think kana makarora na makaita chivanhu chacho chekubvisirana pfuma gupuro rinongodiwa mfunge.
Yes.
Because you will find mukasadaro, this lady will probably move on.
Yes.
And I'm not saying that all men are like that. Nasanyarara 9 months ariko koko zviri kumuitira. Anogona kungomuka odzoka kuti mukadzi wangu ndadzoka.
Yes.
And then maybe you've already moved on, and then yamhosva iyoyo. You understand? Yekuti vanotogona kuti vaifambira because varuti takabvisa pfuma kumba kwenyu. Gupuro rakangonaka. Takaita chivanhu chekurorana. Ngatingopana negupuro, and I understand where she's coming from. Kana usisandide ndiudze, because this guy has never been clear.
Yes.
Right? Zvese arikungoita, but ene zvakuti madivorce ndopa patakutotanga ndi process a divorce wakandiramba rini. It's unfair.
Very unfair.
It's really unfair.
And I understand where she is coming from. The pain of, building together with this man, kuvira, and then now, you're a stranger.
Yes.
Mudzimai haachadiwe, but ngaasasenda macopies. Kana murume akuda kumuramba, ngaatange negupuro, then kukota. Vanhu vanorambwa in different ways. This is one of them. You have done your part, asked for matari haasikuda, so ita zvelife yako zvaakutaura. And then hi KVG, the lady should seek legal advice to make sure that the husband plays his part pavana and move on, because marriage hapasisina. And a message from 910, the husband has moved on. Don't send your ID and find legal advice. Pure gupuro first uzowanawo wako. And then here is a message, Sakile umchato agusela lanxa umfazi esala indota kwenziwe kanjani esintwini sabo umama lo ayenze njalo behlukane, then she needs legal counsel for the divorce.
0772162651. Hello, hi.
Hello, Mazarafai.
Taswera maswerao tumbatira sei mudzimai.
Ngangoziva kuti dzizi red flag, ngangosiyana nazvo aite zveupenyu hwake afambe nenguva. Ngaasadzirira masingle mothers aya, because masingle mother iyaya anenge akaita homework yakakwana, anotora varume vaya, anotora. Saka ngaabatsirike, ngaite zvaanoita, aite zveupenyu hwake nevana vake.
Anoita move on here asati arambwa zviri pamutemo zvinoratidza kuti hama neshamwari dziri pakati pavo, mhuri yekwavo nemhuri yeuku vakuziva kuti hapasisina wanano. Akazowanikwa achifambidzana neumwe murume, hazvizomukanganise here kumberi uko? Toita sei ipapo?
Zvinomukanganisa, but akudana nematsotsi. Because varina can see the whole family matsotsi, because kana vanatete vachiziva nyaya yachona asi vasingakwanisa kutigadzisa nyaya yachona, automatically varudana netsotsi. Saka ngaatongoona kuti anoita kana tete kokonyera kana ritsamba chakana maafidhaviti anoshanda ndaedza kuita zvakati ndakaitawo zveupenyu hwangu kodzi achiri mwana mudiki kana
ndizvozvo
iye akutodzira nemunhu akutochengeta nevana 3 kuko ari koko, iye ane mwana wake 1. Saka ada kuti aite sei? Saka ngaaite zvinomubatsira. Ndinotenda.
Thank you so much for that contribution, sir. On 0772162651, messages are coming in. Remember, it is our hot topic powered by Hamilton Insurance, the leading insurer in Zimbabwe. We say hashtag reliable, honest insurers. Hello, Star FM.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, and you?
I'm great, thanks, dear. What's your take?
First and foremost, them having 3 weeks, being in the other city, 1 week with her, it already shows that there was hardly a marriage to talk about. So I would advise her to let it go and move on. And she shouldn't give him the ID. It's not needed when you're processing divorces. So I don't know what he's up to. So she just needs to be careful about it.
Are you saying 3 weeks away from your husband is too much? And if we are trying to make ends meet, that is a deal breaker?
Yes, because he was spending more time with this other woman than he was spending time with her.
Okay.
So it's more like they really didn't know each other.
Yeah.
But these two, the 3 weeks, they were living like husband and wife.
Yeah.